Hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just wanted to show you our current project. So this is a 2022 Porsche 911 that we're doing. Beautiful car, it's an amazing gray with the red interior. The client is complaining that there's a lot of buzzing in the doors. We're gonna show you why that is, but basically certain songs, bass tracks in particular, and then even just normal driving is causing a buzzing. So what we're gonna do is the car is actually in here for one of our stage 3 treatments. So we're gonna do the sound deadening on all 3 layers of the door panels. So, oh my God. All right, hey guys, so we're getting more into this 2022 Porsche project for the sound deadening, and here's what not to do. So we're not sure if this was the dealership or another shop. Hopefully it wasn't another shop, but this is what you don't do. So all they did is they took foam and shoved it in everywhere they thought it was causing an issue. So as you can see, and then they just taped it in place. This is a rubber piece. So part of they taped foam to this rubber insert. It's rubber, does not vibrate, you know, not in the same way that plastic or metal will, right? The problem with this foam is it's like a sponge. If it does get water in it, now luckily the door is pretty well sealed, but if it does get water in it, this is gonna hold moisture and then obviously cause, you know, look at it, it's sitting right on the terminal for the speaker. If it does happen to get wet, it's gonna cause that to corrode and then mold and just all kinds of bad stuff. So please do not use foam in your car doors. You need to use a closed cell foam, which is resistant to water. It's closed cell, so it won't absorb water the same way that open cell foam, which is what this is, will do. We're gonna clean all this up, remove all this, and when we're done, we'll show you when it's done properly how to stop rattles, because we've isolated. The other thing that we do different is a lot of places just guess where the rattle is, right? So what we do is we don't like to guess. We want to make sure that we solve the problem. So we play a specific track, actually a couple of tracks that play frequencies. Each frequency makes something else resonate, and when you find the correct frequency, you can totally hear the buzz instead of trying to play a song and wait for the part of the song that makes the rattle and then try to listen and then rewind it. It's a pain. So by playing these hertz frequencies, you know, 60 hertz, 61, 62, 60, we just keep going up the scale. We find the actual buzz, and then by moving around, we can see exactly roughly where it's localized. So, and then we'll show you that in the video and show you how we solve that. Plus, the nice thing is now, once the car's done, we can play that same frequency again, not try and remember the track and the part of the track and did we get it, did we not get it. We can actually play the frequency that caused the rattle and make sure that we solve the rattle.
This is what stage 1 is taking care of. Stage 1 is on this sheet metal, but it's on the inside of the door, obviously. And what it does is it'll deaden this whole door panel, and you can tell this is undeadened. Kind of vibrates and rattles here. Much more dead. You get very little resonance there. it's Robert at Showtime Audio. So just to explain what we did on this Porsche 911, the customer had an issue where he was getting a buzzing noise from this door panel. And so what we found is anywhere between 60-75 hertz. We were getting a pretty loud buzz from this door handle area on the driver's side. So we did our sound deadening treatment on it and focused a little extra on this area. We did our 3 stages of sound deadening. The stage 1 is the outer door skin, which is basically the metal on the outside of the car. We're putting sound deadener on the back of that metal. Stage 2 is on the inside of the door, so it's still behind this door panel, but it's the metal section that this door panel is attached to. We deadened that area. We also did some extra deadener in this area behind this panel. That's kind of like fiberglass you would see in your house, but not actually fiberglass. It's stuff that's meant for cars and meant to be in the elements. And we stuffed some of that in this area just because it was kind of an enclosed area that you couldn't really get sound deadener, the SQL mat that we usually use. You can't really get it in there, but you can stuff that deadener in there. And that helps take some of the vibration out of it as well. Stage 3 is the back of this actual door panel. So there's a lot of plastic. Base of this door panel is essentially all plastic, and it's made of different plastic sections. So by putting deadener in there, you put more mass to it. It kind of softens areas that might be contacting or vibrating, and basically kills any kind of buzzing and vibration that you might end up with. And we did all 3 stages on this car, and it took care of it. It's nice and quiet now. The door is dead, and everything sounds a lot better in here. All right, thanks for watching.
Perfect.